we have London Roads, and it's a 12-inch finished block. The method we'll use for this one is the quarter square triangles, and we'll cut 2 large squares and make those into quarter square triangles. If you're not familiar with the method to make quarter square triangles, then you can click on this link, or you can scan this code with your phone and it will take you to a video tutorial. Here's the diagram, and here are, if you have AccuQuilt dies, we're just cutting 2 different shapes, rectangles and squares. And here are the fabric requirements, and here are the assembly instructions. Here are the fabrics I'm going to use. These large squares are for the quarter square triangles, and this is for the center square, and these are for the 2 rows on the sides and the top and bottom of the block. First, we're going to do the quarter square triangles. Here are the units all put together. The quarter square triangles you trim down to 4.5 inches. And then I did the little road pieces here. Now we'll just piece them together.